In the last video we have done about angle of elevation and angle of depression. Now we will use the concept of angle of elevation, angle of depression in these questions. So first of all I am going to the very first question, in which we have given that height of a tree. This is a tree, take it as A, and B. The height of a tree is under root 3 times the length of its shadow. We know that if it is a tree, so its shadow will be like this. If it is a tree, its shadow will be like this, right? Now the height of a tree is under root 3 times the length of its shadow. So ABC, let AB is a tree and CA is its shadow, right? Now we have given the height of a tree is under root 3 times the length of its shadow. If I am taking the height of a tree, if I am taking the length of shadow is equals to x, then height of a tree will be under root 3 times of x, under root 3 times of x. So I have taken shadow as x, so height of tree will be under root 3x, right? Now join this and this. Here you will get angle of elevation, you will get angle of elevation. Now we have to find the angle of the elevation of the sun. We have to find the angle of elevation of the sun. You have perpendicular, you have base, but you don't have theta. So P and B relation is solved by using the tan theta. So in triangle CAB, tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular upon base. So tan theta AB is under root 3x, AC is x and x cancel. So tan theta sorry, so tan theta is equals to under root 3. Now we have to find theta. So just remember that which value of tan is representing under root 3. So tan 60 is under root 3. So theta is equals to 60 degree. When angle of elevation will be 60 degree, at that time the height of tree will be under root 3 times the length of its shadow, and shadow will be under root 3 part of the length of the tree. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7. The upper part of a tree, this is a tree, and the upper part of a tree broken over by the wind. Suppose that this is the upper part of a tree. This upper part of a tree is broken over by the wind and makes an angle of 45 degree. So this is the upper part. After broken it will lay down here like this. This part will come down like this. So upper part of a tree broken over the wind makes an angle of 45 degree with the ground, and the distance from the root to the point where the top touches the ground is 15 meter. So the distance from the root of the tree where at the top of the tree touches the ground is given as 15 meter. what was the height of the tree before it was broken. So before it was broken, this is the total height of the tree. We have to find the height of this total tree. Right? Now, to find this total height of the tree, we have a need of BC and CD. We have a need of BC and CD. And by adding BC and CD, we can find the total height of tree. Right? So first of all, by using this triangle ABC, angle is 45, base is 15 meter, we can find this perpendicular. So you all have to write here, let BD is the tree before broken, CD is the upper part of the tree, right? So in triangle ABC, perpendicular base relation will be represented by tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base, theta is 45, base we don't know, AB is 15. So tan 45 1, BC upon 15, cross multiply, 15 equals to BC. 15 is equals to BC. So this BC is given find out as 15 meter. Right? Now we have to find this part, but this part is not in any triangle. But remember one thing in the statement, upper part of a tree is broken over by the wind and makes an angle of 45 degree with the ground. So it means after broken it lays down here. So it means this part and this part is seen. This part and this part is seen. So now by using again the same triangle ABC, we will find AC. We will find AC. So we have perpendicular 15 meter, base 15 meter, angle is also there. So we can find hypotenuse by using sine theta as well as by using cos theta. So sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sine 45 is equals to 15 upon AC. Sine 45 is under root 2, 15 upon AC, cross multiply, AC is 15 under root 2. AC is equals to 15 under root 2. So AC 15 under root 2, BC is 15. Now look, AC, this AC is equals to CD. AC equals to CD, 15 under root 2. As I have already told you, this part and this part both are same. So AC equals to CD, that is 15 under root 2. Now we have to find the total height of the tree. Total height of the tree will be BC plus CD, and BC is 15, CD is 15 under root 2. So take out 15 common, 1 plus under root 2. Under root 2 is 1.41. Add 1.41 and 1 and multiply with 15. You will get the total height of the tree before it was broken.